Guys, what is going on? It's Adrian here at McKaig Chevrolet, and it's freezing outside. And one of the things that we hate the most is having to come outside, start the vehicle, run back in, hope your vehicle doesn't get stolen because you left the keys inside. So, you know, the cool feature about this vehicle is that it does have remote start. And even though people know how to do it, the great benefit to that is that the vehicle stays locked at all times, because the way you have to do it is you have to hit the lock button once, hold the remote start, the vehicle will stay on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the benefit to that too is that if you have heated seats on the inside, that will come on. If you forget to turn off the vehicle, 10 to 15 minutes, the vehicle will shut off, keeping you from wasting gas. But again, who doesn't love to come outside on a winter time ready to take off? Guys, and I forgot to show you, you could also, you know, if you decide that you don't want to go outside no more, you want to just turn it off, hold it. That would actually kill the vehicle itself. If you have any questions about this vehicle or anything else, just give us a call. My number is 903-746-4630. Thank y'all.